I want a controller. No, wait. I want a budget controller. No, wait. I want a budget controller that is also good and reliable. Okay, alright. Is there anything else? Yeah, one more thing, please. I want a gaming controller that is under budget, good, reliable, and it should work across all the platforms. Wow, that's a lot to ask. Is there even any controller that does all of this and still exists at the same time? Luckily, there is one such controller, and I'm going to talk about that in this video. So don't go anywhere, and if you haven't subscribed to the Black Hat Technical yet, do it now because this channel is going to help you a lot. Let's start the video. First of all, this is not a promotional video. The controller I'm talking about is GameSir Nova Lite. This is the packaging box, which is kind of damaged because this controller traveled around 4,000 kilometers to reach me. Let's open the box. This controller costs around $25 in the international markets and 2,800 rupees in India. We do not get much box content here. Just a user manual, a plastic case inside which lies the GameSir Nova Lite controller, and a Wi-Fi dongle. I really liked this plastic case as this is going to protect this controller from dust and damages. You can even carry this controller with the case without any worries. Now look at this beautiful game toy. It weighs around 200 grams and feels premium and solid in the hand. There are a total 7 color variants including this one, and they all look nice. It comes with tri-mode connectivity including Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and wired connection. It got dual analog sticks, D-pad, ABXY keys, LBLT, RBRT, the home key, and other function keys as well. It got a Type-C charging/connection port. All keys are very tactile and smooth. It is equipped with anti-drift Hall effect sticks, and it got dual rumble motors for haptic feedback. This controller works across multiple platforms, such as PC, Steam, Switch, Android, iOS, and TVs. It got 600 milliamp hours of battery, which charges simultaneously when you play games via wired mode. Now, let's talk about the things this controller doesn't have. It doesn't have programmable keys. It doesn't have gyro sensor, and neither a headphone jack. I guess including gyro sensor would have been a great choice. I ordered this controller specially for Android gaming. So here is a quick gameplay on Android. Well, that was satisfying, especially playing a game on a mobile with controller. I have also uploaded a separate video of this controller while playing GTA games on my another YouTube channel, Black Hat Gaming. You can check that out too. All the things that I've told you about this controller are based on initial impressions. If anything good or bad happens with this controller in the future, I'll let you know that. In the end, I think it's not a bad deal for $25. What do you think? Tell me in the comments section. If you have any questions, you can ask them too. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, do it now. Well, folks, that's all for today. See you in the next one.